sort of combination between people like ourselves, Shell, E&I, OMV, who are here as obviously as the oil companies, but also the fact that we've got a number of suppliers that we can talk to about, say, robotics or eyewear, sensor control, big data, for example. So it's great to have that combination.
A combination between meeting and networking people, but in a very different way to what is done in other events.
A good combination of speakers and a good combination of the program. I was able to see a few sessions in parallel, sometimes moving from one room to another. That's good. I think that's a good approach. And a small exhibition, it has a good size, so you have time to go around, you have time to talk to the people, and it's not too much hassle.
To me, it's getting in touch with the cutting edge of digitalization in a very condensed format.
This notion of combining automation and digitalization, which is kind of linking together two different worlds, but at the same time it's very important to do that, and it's the only conference I see doing that.
Being able to organise VIP meetings in this kind of setting where you're surrounded by really good knowledge being shared is really valuable. It makes you have a really constructive conversation with your partner.
Work with personal manager has brought a big added value actually, because instead of coming to a conference or a congress being all lost where to find the information, you have a reference person to whom you can go, and he is there to help you answer all your questions, make the most of your participation, and for me it's all a positive experience.
Ride the digital wave.
We are riding the digital wave.
Riding the digital wave.
Riding the digital wave.
And we're riding the digital wave.